Welcome to this practical guide on modulation and demodulation for the modern electrician. We will be understanding how signals travel in modern systems. Why modulate? Just as a low-voltage control signal struggles with heavy interference, raw data needs a high-frequency carrier wave to survive the journey and reach its destination. The carrier concept uses a high-frequency sine wave, the truck, to carry the message signal, or the cargo. Modulation is the process of loading the cargo onto the truck. We see this in power lines carrying data alongside 60 Hz power. Analog techniques include amplitude modulation, or AM, which varies the voltage peak of the carrier. It's simple but prone to noise. Frequency modulation, or FM, varies the timing and cycles. This makes it cleaner and resistant to electrical interference. Pulse width modulation, or PWM, is key for electricians. Instead of changing voltage, we switch power on and off very fast. The pulse width determines the average voltage delivered, essential for VFDs and dimmable lighting systems. We use PWM in control for efficiency, with low heat loss, and precision for extremely fine control over motor speed and torque. It also improves durability by providing soft start capabilities. Variable frequency drives, or VFDs, are a practical application of modulation. They perform rectification, filtering, and inversion to convert AC to DC, smooth the DC, and then convert it back to PWM AC to control the motor. Digital modulation includes amplitude shift keying, or ASK, and frequency shift keying, or FSK. These change amplitude or frequency for binary ones and zeros and are used in wireless building automation and smart sensors. Demodulation is the recovery or unloading phase. It involves detection to identify wave changes, filtering to remove the carrier frequency, and amplification to boost the recovered signal for use. Power line communication is used by smart meters and industrial PLC modules to send data over existing power lines. Modulating data at very high frequencies allows it to ride on the 60 Hz power without interference. Electricians must be careful not to install filters that block these signals. In summary, AM varies amplitude and is used for legacy comms. FM varies frequency for clear audio and wireless controls. PWM varies duty cycle for power control like VFDs. Digital modulation uses shifts for smart tech and PLCs. The key takeaways are: modulation puts information on a high-frequency carrier. PWM is the king of electrical power control, and FM and digital handle noise immunity best. Thank you for viewing this video.